Tommy Vassetti? Shit. Didn't think they'd ever let him out.
He kept his head down. Helps people forget.
People will remember soon enough. When they see him walking down the streets of their neighborhoods, it will be bad for business.
Well, what are we gonna do, Sonny?
We treat him like an old friend and keep him busy out of town, okay? We've been talking about expanding down south, right? Vice City is 24 karat gold these days. The Colombians, the Mexicans, hell, even those Cuban refugees are cutting themselves a piece of some nice action.
But it's all drugs, Sonny. None of the families will touch that shit.
Times are changing. The families can't keep their backs turned while our enemies reap the rewards. So, we send someone down to do the dirty work for us and cut ourselves a nice, quiet slice, okay? Who's our contact down there?
Ken Rosenberg, schmuck of a lawyer. How's he gonna hold Vassetti's leash?
We don't need him to. We just set him loose in Vice City. We give him a little cash to get started, okay? Give it a few months. Then we go down. Pay him a little visit, right? See how he's doing.
Hey, guys, it's Ken Rosenberg here. Hey, great, hey. Well, I'm gonna drive you guys to the meet, okay? Now, I've talked to the suppliers, and they are very keen to start a business relationship. So, if all goes well, we should be doing very nicely for ourselves, which is, you know, good. Okay, so they're brothers, okay? One operates the business, and the other one does the flying. Okay, that's them in the chopper. All right, here's the deal. They want a straight exchange on open ground. All right? Okay, stay tight. Let's go.
Got it? 100% pure grade A Colombian, my friend.
Let me see it.
The greens?
10s and 20s. Used.
I think we have a deal, my friend.
Oh, shit!
Come on, get out of here! Drive!
I poked my head out of the gutter for 1 freaking second and fate shovels shit in my face.
Go get some sleep.
What are you gonna do?
I'll drop by your office tomorrow and we can start sorting this mess out.
I dobar dan ljudi, dobrodošli u GTA Vice City, jedan odličan GTA, mislim kao i svaki do sad koji su imali. I ajde počnemo. Vjerojatno vidite da nisam snimao jedno 10 dana. To je, izvini brate, nisam teo. To je zato što sam ja pokušao da snimam GTA San Andreas i nije htjelo u stvari nešto da mi se... Nije htjelo da mi radi u stvari. Najlakše rečeno, ne znam zašto, ali to je mene jako iznerviralo, stanite. Aha, evo ga. Ovo sam prošli put kad sam snimao sam i Vice City, nego prvi part mi je trajao možda predugo i onda nije htjelo da mi se snimi. I ne mogu ovdje da skočim. Ajde, brate. To. Idemo ovo, sad imamo i palicu. Jaj, očajno vozimo ovaj igric. Mi ćemo u svakom GTA loše voziti. Samo u četvorci dobro voziti. Ovdje ćemo da savujemo igricu i ovdje kao živimo. Idemo unutra. Dobro, ovo je save point. Zna se. Ono je misija tamo. Ne. Idemo. Odmah. An old friend. Ili stari prijatelj. Pogledajte telefon.
Hello, Sonny.
Tommy, it's been too long.
Yeah.
I know, you're just overwhelmed with emotion. 15 years.
Seems like only yesterday.
I guess that's a perspective thing.
Hey, doing time for the family is no piece of cake, but the family looks after its own, okay? So how'd the deal go down? You sitting on some white gold?
Look, Sonny, we were set up. The deal was an ambush. Harry and Lee are dead.
You better be kidding me, Tommy! Tell me you still got the money.
Poludaj.
No, Sonny. I don't have the money.
That was my money, Tommy! My money! You better not be screwing me, Tommy, because you know I'm not a man to be screwed with!
Wait, Sonny. You have my personal assurance that I'm gonna get you your money back, and the drugs, and I'm gonna mail you the dicks of those responsible.
Hey, I already know that. You're not a fool, Tommy, but I warn you. Neither am I. If it was anybody else, you'd be dead already. But because it's you, because we got history, I'm gonna let you handle this.
Look, Sonny, you got my word.
I'll be in touch.
Dobar telefon ima. Sad je ovaj polud. I idemo da save-ujemo odmah. Idemo save file. I idemo na misiju odmah. Kod Ken Rosenberg. Ako se ne varam. Evo sad idem prvo nešto uzmem ovdje. Vidjet ćete šta. Ovo sam otkrio. Ovo sam otkrio kad sam igrao na Random Fun. Otkrio sam za ovo. Što je poprilično korisno. Evo ga. Puška. Ili što bi se u igrici zvalo shotgun. I sad idemo na misiju. Imamo pušku za svaki slučaj. Više nije skupo, ja mislim da je $100. Koliko mi ima? Nul. Izvini. Ajde na to pare. Kako bre? Ne. Evo neki do... $454. I odmah nas juri policija. Ne veze. Brzo ćemo izgubiti. Idemo na misiju. Mislim da se ova misija zove The Party. Ili žurka.
Go get some sleep,
Ja nisam dobro uključio ovaj
I
tekst.
have been sitting in
Nah,
this chair all night with the lights off drinking coffee. This is a disaster. We are so screwed, man. These gorillas, listen to me, are gonna come down here and rip my head off. It's ridiculous. I did not go to law school for this. Okay, now what the hell are we gonna do?
Povoda.
Shut up, sit down,